Hello traders, welcome to another episode of S Trades. We are still continuing with introduction to Forex trading, where we are going to deep so much into introduction in Forex trading. Now, many traders start trading Forex without knowing the assets that are traded in the Forex market. Globally, many beginner traders start trading without knowing exactly what are the assets or what are the major assets traded in Forex trading. Therefore, in this video, I'm going to dive deep into introduction in Forex trading. Number one, as previously indicated that in the previous episode 1, I introduced you into Forex trading for beginners, which are just the normal terms, what is Forex and what is Forex trading. Now in this episode, we are going to dive deep into Forex trading and the assets that are associated in Forex trading. For example, many beginner traders start trading Forex without knowing that which assets or which pairs are suitable for them. Now in this video, I'm going to deep so much into the assets and how they are traded in the global Forex market. Now, as we start again, traders, previously we talked about what is Forex and what is Forex trading. But in this video, I'm going to introduce to the assets or the pairs that are associated in trading Forex. Now, take example of many influencers normally trade gold, but beginner traders don't know how to trade gold and they don't know which category is gold under. Now, as indicated in the previous episode, that Forex is a very global market and it incurs high risk, whereby so many traders will lose money and only a few traders will make money. For instance, if you trade something like gold, just as you were influenced by other trader online, that you trade gold and end up being in bigger losses every day, and every. Now, in this table is just but examples of the assets that are traded in the Forex market. Now, if we start by the first column, we can see the Forex column and the pairs or the assets that are associated in under Forex. Now, if you look at the first column, we have Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY. Those are the Forex majors, the Forex currencies that are majorly traded. Therefore, they are called Forex majors. And they also carry high volatility during the market sessions. For example, during the London session, we can clearly, it is clearly stated that in this session, we have a highly volume and a highly traded volume of Euro USD and GBP USD. Therefore, during the London session, we anticipate to trade the volatility associated with the opening of the London session. For example, wherever you are or with the country that you're living in, it may differ according to maybe the geographical factors. Now, the London session usually active in trading Euro USD and GBP USD or even other currencies such as GBP, JPY, and many others. Now these are the majors that are traded in Forex. Now we are still under the first column that I want to explain more further, because so many traders who are aspiring to start Forex, they do not know which are the best currencies or which are the most suitable pairs or assets that a beginner should start with. Not only starting with gold, you can start with gold and master gold according to your learning and according to your strategy. Now, before jumping to commodities and indices, know that currency pair are, for example, the base currency here under Euro USD. The base currency is Euro, that is traded against the United States dollar. Now, the second currency is GBP USD. GBP USD is just a Great Britain pound versus United States dollar. Now, we can clearly say that these two pairs are highly volatile during the London session and partly the United States session, or the US or the New York session. I will talk about the market session in the next episode, but in this video I'm just going to illustrate how these pairs are traded and what time are being actively traded. Now under USD JPY, as we can see, USD JPY traders, USD JPY is mainly traded partly the London session and majorly the New York session. Now those are the Forex majors, which are the mostly traded currencies in Forex trading or in the Forex market. For example, in the next column, we can clearly say that we have CAD JPY, CHF JPY, and Euro JPY. Yes, these are just but examples of Forex miners. There are so many compared to majors. Now, these are just the mini currency or the less traded currency, and I may stop from there and go to the next column, which is commodities. Commodities, for examples of commodities, we have gold, silver, and oil. These are the commodities that are majorly traded in the Forex market. Now, for example, taking gold, which is commonly traded by so many traders compared to silver and oil. Now, gold is mainly the highest volatile instrument traded in the Forex market. Now, why so many people like trading gold? Because gold has faster returns or good return compared to Forex currency pair. Now, why do many people trade gold and never trade silver or partially trade silver? Because one, gold is a highly volatile instrument that if you can make profit, you can make profit very quick, and you can also lose money very quickly due to its volume and volatility. But gold is traded majorly during London session open and during the overlapping of the London session and the New York session. Why do most traders like trading gold? Another reason is gold has higher returns that I stated earlier, but again gold has, gold has good volume and gold has bigger rewards per pip. No, it is good for scalper and intraday trading. What about silver? Silver sometimes is just associated with gold Same to oil. Oil is affected by geopolitical factors, that is under commodities. Now, under indices, these are the joint companies in the US that offers many companies that are joined together to form one major company that collects data from the stock market. For example, the Nasdaq, Euro, US 30 and S&P 500 or US 500. I will end this video here. If you find this video educative and interested, please like, share and subscribe. Let's meet in the next episode.